Yeah, we are just doing our daily junk maintenance in the tropical sunlight in the Caribbean Sea. Nicaragua, although it doesn't feel like Nicaragua at all. Just doing our base science, getting acclimated into the Iceland lifestyle. And this lifestyle is relaxed. I haven't seen the stress in many days. Where's the stress? I'm so used to it. I'm so very used to it. Oh, I did see the stress in a couple of the tourists that were coming here. I could still feel a little bit of the stress there. Then I saw them a few days later and they were walking like new men and women. Refreshed. Lazy. Kinda full of that life force, but just keeping the life force inside of them. Not really expressing much of it. That's the island lifestyle. Chilling at the beaches, disconnecting from the Jedi mind tricks, from the technocratic world that's ruined everything. Although, if you know how to use it, you can get some knowledge out of it. But we gotta be honest, it has done way more harm than good. You have to be basically a Jedi master yourself to use the technology the right way. Certain people can do it. I think I can do it. Because of the technology, I'm here. Doing my base science. My junk maintenance. On this tropical island in Caribbean Sea. And life is pretty good here, huh? Life is pretty stress-free, huh? Stress-free life. Disconnected from the bullshit. Makes you really connect with yourself. Makes you really connect with the Mother Nature. Yeah. It's a nice life. It's a nice life, huh? You don't really need no philosophies here. You get enough good food. The guys just slaughtered a pig here today. And I got some big liver, fat, meat. You can get about 2 pounds for $5. It's a bit more expensive than in the mainland. But hey, they don't got all the room for the pigs here. Still pretty cheap, high quality. Let's take a little dip. Yeah, I wonder what the bankers are up to. Here, you don't really give a shit. You don't really give a shit what the Rockefellers or Rothschilds are up to. Here you just wish you could have more family and friends here to feel this way of life. So you could have more people to chill with. Although, I met some really nice people here. Some nice travelers. I spoke with these Canadian guys for hours. I made friends with some of the islanders, some of the black people, the athletic black people. They are really nice people. They're my kind of people. They know how to relax. They know how to focus on the real shit in life and cut through the superfluous. Completely the opposite of the city folks. Completely the opposite of most people in 2025, soon to be 2026. Man, I think about... Oh, it's a big wave coming. Holy fuck. I really think about how much your spawn location dictates your way of life. I think about spawning here. Like these people ain't the people that I saw in the mainland Nicaragua. Most of these people are way taller than me, and I'm way taller than most people in the mainland. These people are thick. Tall and thick. That's what the seafood does to you. Yeah, think about being spawned here. I had a pretty freaking... I had like 10 out of 10 spawn myself. But my spawn has also made me see the freaking Jedi mind tricks, the bullshit, real clear, especially as I have grown older and got more knowledge. And it kinda makes your heart a little cold. It makes you realize this world is one bad place, or it could be a one bad place, and it could be a one very, very chill, relaxed, beautiful place. Very beautiful place also. But it's kind of fun. Oh, maybe it's not fun. The fun is not the right word. But it's kind of interesting to see the both sides so clearly and experience. I haven't really... Well, I have experienced some of the evil shit. And I especially know a lot of the evil shit that could happen to a lot of people and will happen to a lot of people and is currently happening to a lot of people around the world. So I know that very good, and now I know this very good. I'm experiencing it right over now, speaking to you guys. So it's kind of interesting to see the both sides of the coin and how life could be. This is what life could be, and how life is for most people. Yeah, boy. Anyway, I go back to do my junk maintenance, continue my relaxed ways. We still have about 3 hours before the electricity comes back. So basically here you have a half a day, you don't got no computers, you don't got no internet. You just got other people, yourself, and nature. And I gotta say, it feels like it's supposed to feel. One of the best things about this experiment has been to see other waves of life and kind of be forced to live with other ways that I have been living, and just experience what it is like. And I gotta say, it's better life. One great thing about traveling, huh? Anyway, catch you later, guys. Think about that plane ticket. Depending on your spawn point, it's not much. Yeah, it's really not that much when you think about it. Have a nice day.